Tonight, dozens of people on Long Island are without a home after a fire ripped through their apartment building.
It happened at a three-story building on J Street in Freeport. John Diaz spoke with residents.
Standing across the road from the only home she's ever known, Emily Furufino can only watch as fire officials assess the damage to her Freeport apartment building.
Makes me a little bit disappointed because I've lived here my whole life.
Fire marshals say a fire broke out just before 6 Thursday morning, starting in the basement and making its way through the three-story apartment building on J Street. That's when Emily says her dad saw the smoke as he was leaving for work.
He ran up to tell us that the building was getting on fire. We rushed out, just a lot of smoke, a lot of kids crying, screaming.
We're told one tenant was critically injured and 3 others suffered serious injuries. Neighbors say it was chaotic as they evacuated, most escaping with only the clothes on their backs and their pets.
This is fire, everything building.
People, they're screaming, fire, fire, fuego, fuego. Smoke everywhere. The people, they're running like crazy.
Investigators say no smoke alarms were found inside the building. As firefighters cleared the scene, Red Cross volunteers arrived to help the dozens now left without a home, including 15 children.
About 60 residents have been displaced. 14 units have been lost, and we're waiting to see what the next steps are for these poor people.
For now, residents like Emily say all they can do is hold on to hope.
Yeah, it's sad. Yeah, we'll just keep praying.
Now, we're told it took about an hour and 100 firefighters, many from surrounding towns, to get this fire under control. From Freeport, Long Island, John Diaz, CBS News, New York.
And investigators tell us they are still trying to determine what caused that fire.